Greetings, everybody. I hope you're all doing fine in this corona pandemic. So, the other day I did a video where we were stripping the cacao beans out of the pods and we're putting them into a tub wrapped in banana leaves for fermentation. Now, this morning I got up, I opened my tub, and I went, wow! It smelled like acetic acid, real big time, like vinegar. And that's the state when the bean is finished fermenting. Okay, so the first thing that happened is in the first 2 days when I opened my tub and sniffed, I got a lot of CO2 gas and a little bit of alcohol. Smelled like beer. Then by about the third into the fourth day, that alcohol was attacked by a bacteria that creates acetic acid. And so then I opened the tub up and wow, it smells like vinegar. And nice and strong too. I can smell it in the air here right now. I got the beans laid out in the carport. So the next thing we do with them is to take all the beans and we wash them, because they'll be covered with the slime, mucilage, yeast bodies, and who knows what from the fermentation. We will pick through them, and if we see any bad ones in there, a bad one would start to turn black. And if you let this go too far, it starts to turn green. That would be the next stage, and you really don't want to go to green. All right. I've heard that it doesn't matter that much, but ideally you are taking these off when they're just really nice, vinegary, acetic acid smell. For the next step, I threw all the beans into this lug right here. It's a True Value Hardware shopping lug. They were selling them one day over there. And these work really well. It held the whole box, and so I tossed everything in here, and then I just went through with water, washing until all the slime disappeared and it came off clean. So then after that, I took the beans, I spread them out across the carport floor, and we're going to allow them to dry out here for a while. Now the next step will be that we're going to have to roast these beans, but the moisture content is going to have to be right before we get there. So we're going to be out here drying for a few days. Oh man, do I smell both a combination of vinegar and chocolate in the air at the moment. So there you have it, folks. That's stage 2 in processing your own cacao beans. We'll get on with stage 3 eventually in the production of cocoa nibs, but for now, we're going to let our beans dry here in the carport. Aloha, you all stay well, be safe, be careful.